When the Service AdvanceTrac warning appears on your Ford Fusion dashboard, it indicates a malfunction in your vehicle's electronic stability control system. AdvanceTrac integrates four critical safety systems. Electronic stability control prevents skidding and loss of control. Traction control manages wheel spin during acceleration. Anti-lock braking prevents wheel lockup. And roll stability control helps prevent rollover situations. This diagram shows how electronic stability control works. Without ESC, a car may lose traction and veer off course during turns. With ESC active, the system detects understeer and automatically applies brakes to specific wheels to help maintain the intended path. Based on recent data from 2023 to 2025, the most common causes of AdvanceTrac warnings are faulty wheel speed sensors at 35%, low battery voltage at 25%, steering angle sensor issues at 20%, and ABS module malfunctions at 15%. This technical diagram shows the steering column components, including the steering angle sensor module. When these components malfunction or lose calibration, they can trigger the Service AdvanceTrac warning. Addressing the Service AdvanceTrac warning promptly is crucial for maintaining vehicle safety and performance. This system plays a vital role in preventing accidents by helping maintain control during emergency maneuvers and adverse driving conditions. Now we'll walk through the systematic process of diagnosing and repairing AdvanceTrac issues. This involves three main phases: diagnostic scanning, visual inspection, and targeted repairs based on findings. The first step is always diagnostic scanning using an OBD2 scanner capable of reading ABS and stability control codes. Look for common AdvanceTrac codes like C1195, C1145, C1155, C1230, or C1277. Next, perform a thorough visual inspection. Check wheel speed sensor wiring for damage or corrosion, verify brake fluid level and condition, ensure all tires have proper pressure and matching sizes, and inspect battery terminals. The third phase involves electrical system testing. Test battery voltage. It should read 12.6 volts or higher at rest. With the engine running, alternator output should be between 13.5 and 14.5 volts. Based on diagnostic results, common repairs include wheel speed sensor replacement, costing $150 to $300, steering angle sensor calibration at $200 to $400, or ABS module replacement ranging from $800 to $1,500 for new units. To prevent future AdvanceTrac issues, regularly clean wheel speed sensors during tire rotations, maintain proper battery voltage and clean terminals, and ensure correct tire pressures with matching tire sizes. These simple maintenance steps can prevent most AdvanceTrac problems.